Sorry if I scared you, but because we're approaching that spooky time of the year, I thought we'd discuss a problem that we solved using investigative chemistry that's more in the spirit of things. So you may be asking yourselves, why all the doll parts? Well, we were contacted by a client who received reports that children playing with their dolls were getting sick. Now that's a scary problem. So where do we start? There's 3 different approaches we can take here. Are there any surface contaminants present? Are the materials construction different than the manufacturer specifications? Was the polymer cured properly? We don't really know what's going on here, so we need to throw everything but the witch's cauldron at it. But let's get started with surface contaminants. I can directly sample this doll part and test it by LCMS and FTIR for surface characterization. I will extract the doll parts using the appropriate solvent and analyze by LCMS to see if there's anything strange going on. We can get a profile of the non-volatile analytes present. I will also take a peek at the bulk chemistry by FTIR to make sure there isn't something more obvious at play. You know, looking at the results, I can't really see anything with the surface composition of the polymer. So maybe we gotta look deeper into the materials construction, or maybe if the polymer wasn't cured properly. Let's go take a look. DSC can tell me more about the polymer. Maybe there's a physical characteristic that will stand out and lend a hint towards what's going on. Pyrolysis GCMS allows me to directly sample the material. This technique will interrogate both the polymer present as well as any pesky additives that might be present causing the children to get sick. Interesting. So we didn't find any problem with the curing at all, and we found polyester, which was not surprising, but what was surprising was this 1,4-butanediol that we did find, a frightening chemical that we didn't expect to find, especially in a child's toy. So as it turns out, the toy company changed suppliers for some of the doll parts, and that introduced the 1,4-butanediol, which ended up migrating to the surface of the doll parts, and when children were playing with the dolls, they came in close contact with the 1,4-butanediol, and that was introduced into their bodies and metabolized into gamma-hydroxybutyrate, which is known for having euphoric and sedative effects. The toy company recalled the toys, and no other children got sick. And I'm really happy we were able to find a cause to that problem. You see, it wasn't the dolls being haunted. Oh, well, on that note, it's been great having you. It's getting late, and I'm not staying here past dark, so I'll see you next time.